What's up, Metaverse people? So, today we are going to discuss and talk about big time, big time space sale, big time space functionality in the future, and other features they have announced on their platforms. So, let's dive right into it. Okay, so as many of you may know or maybe don't know, so big time done their space, not land sale, space sale on their website. It was like nft.bigtimegg and on 21st December. And till now, at the time of the recording, every space have sold out. I have purchased my space yesterday at 2,999. It was only available that time, and I have purchased that. And though all of them are sold out and they are available on the secondary market in higher prices of course, 2x, 3x, 4x prices. Crazy. Okay, so let's move ahead. So yeah, as we can see, big time space rarity and utility explained. So let's dive into this article so that we can get a better idea. Okay, big time space rarity and utility explained. So in the following blog post, we'll break down the benefits and use cases of each. So a time machine, otherwise known as a personal metaverse, is a player's portal to their own pocket universe. So guys, if you don't know, in this game, there's a huge role of the time machine. The game is based on time machines and everything is related to it. So it's the main theme of the time machine. Okay. So a time machine, otherwise known as personal metaverse, is a player's portal to their own pocket universe. You can think of the time machine as a starter home to hang out with friends or showcase your NFTs and loot. Nice. Every player is given a time machine after reaching a certain level in the early stages of the game. So you will, get the time machine when you play the game. Okay. Space. So this is the main thing I mean, which we will talk about. So space, big times version of virtual land, is used as an expansion to your time machine. So this space which these guys sold on their website, which some of you may have purchased like me, can be a version of virtual land is a use an expansion for a time machine. So you can use that space as an expansion from the time machine. There are 5 different rarity tiers: rare, epic, legendary, mythic, and exalted, and 3 different sizes for spaces: small, medium, and large. Space is an NFT, therefore it is a transferable and has a fixed supply. It can be traded on the big time marketplace or withdrawn outside the platform. So it can be traded on the big time marketplace, and interestingly, it can be traded outside their marketplace anywhere. For example, on OpenSea, it can be traded in the OpenSea and maybe other marketplaces. So this is something interesting, and this is a plus point of this project. Okay, there's only 600,000 space being minted, with 60,000 being sold out on a December 21st sale. So only, on December 21st, they made only 60,000 of their, space available. They, of course, will bring other sales in the future. But I guess this was the first sale on 21st, and I think it was the most cheapest and value for the money, and upcoming one may be a little bit pricier, maybe. The larger the space, the more capacity it has to install more features. For example, timekeepers and forges enable players to earn tokens as they play. Okay, so you will know about the timekeepers and forges in, I mean, next part of this article. So yeah, please be stick to the video. The cosmetic qualities of space scale up with its rarity. Either an increase in size or an increase in rarity supports more timekeepers and forges. So guys, this is the, I mean, infographic diagram of these NFTs, space NFTs. So there are the, I mean, rare, epic, legendary, mythic, and exalted. So these are the common ones. There are the more scarce one. Okay, and the more bigger or rare your NFT is, more functionality of timekeeper and forges it can support. So yeah, it's more rare and bigger is better, of course. So this is the timekeeper. Wow, it's looking like that creepy character from the Harry Potter, but it's cool. I like like it already. All right. Timekeepers are summoned into space and may be purchased in game or through the marketplace. The timekeeper's main purpose is to either create Hourglass NFT or fill them back up. So this is the timekeeper, and he will create Hourglass for you. So let me summarize this for you. When you purchase uh, this space NFT, which is like mandatory to play the game, otherwise you will not be able to play the game. You purchase this space for you. Then after you purchase the space, you can, I mean, purchase or get this timekeeper into your space, and he will create these Hourglass for you. Okay, so these Hourglass are also the NFTs, and I think creating the Hourglass will give you, further functionality in the game to move ahead in the game. Okay, Hourglasses are needed to unlock the ability to collect big time tokens as loot drops. Yeah, now we got our answers. So what are the functionalities of the Hourglasses and what are they for? So let me repeat, because this is the main highlight of this game, why I purchased the space and why I'm so pumped up. I will also show you my NFT which I have purchased. So please stay tuned, and please hit the like button if you think I'm providing any value. If I mean, doing fine, because I'm a bit of a camera shy. I'm trying my best to be presentable. If you smash the like, it will give me more courage and build better videos in the coming time. So let's come back to the video. Okay, Hourglasses are needed to unlock the ability to collect big time tokens as loot drops. So if you have the Hourglass, again, you can have Hourglass only when you have the space in the first place. So these Hourglass will give you the ability to collect the big time tokens. So big time token are the tokens of the big time company. They will never launch their token on any IDO or anywhere. Their token will be only available for the public by the game if you play the game, and you can play the game only if you have the space. So you can understand the functionality and how rare it going to be, these spaces. All right, so that's why I have purchased it. So forges are a way for players to upgrade their NFT. Let me read these lines. This will be the only way to acquire the token, as there will be any pre-sales. So there will not be, sorry, so they are explaining tokens. This will be the only way to acquire token, as there will not be any pre-sales or any token grants to the development team. Even development team will not have any of them, and not any grants even. So playing games will only give you chance to loot or win the tokens. So I've kind of Impressed by this system. Wow. Sounds like, yeah, really futuristic, really like metaverse. Forges are the way for players to upgrade their NFT, increasing their rarity. The forges are installed on space NFTs, excuse me, and can upgrade NFT equipment to new levels. Hmm, great. Great functionality. Many new features will be introduced to space in the future with the new and exciting abilities. They already, I mean, planned and explaining so many of the functionalities. I think if we approach closer to the game, there will be more data for them to know that what will be good for the game, and by the time they will keep on, I mean, launching new features and improve features. So yeah, team is great. Yeah. So these are some snapshot of the spaces and all. All right. Okay. So now let's see the official their official YouTube channel's video. Okay. Uh-huh. Excuse me. Yeah. So they have launched. I mean, they have uploaded this video to show us the gameplay, and so that we can get an idea that what it will be like, and to come in the sort of feeling and the zone. So let's start. Nice. Looking very interesting. It have that futuristic game feeling in that, and I'm really pumped up. Okay, so you can collect these items in the game if you, I mean, if you defeat any player or any character in the game, you can loot them, and you can have own those items as NFTs, and you can sell them or you can showcase them. Wow, interesting, interesting. Okay, just a second. Yeah, this part was nice. Yeah, guys, this was the gameplay video, and the best part was the you can collect the items in the game, and those items will be the NFTs. You can sell them those NFTs in the secondary market, and I mean, you can have them in your personal collection in your space. I think this will gonna be huge because of their team and functionality. I already purchased my land, not land, sorry, space, and let me show you. Oops, they need I mean, login. So before login, let me show you their marketplace in which they sold their spaces. So you can see every kind of space have been sold out. Nothing has left. And let's see their secondary market, and they are already selling them into much higher prices. This one I've purchased yesterday on $2,999. I think I paid $5 to $6 tax because I used credit card to purchase, and it's already like $100 up. So you can you can see it's already more valuable than before. So let me get back to the video when I sign in. So I'll show you in a while. All right, I'm back. So excuse me. So let me show you my collection so that you can know that I have purchased it. I'm not just making claims. So this is my you can see Kryptonite, my username, and this is my collection, a rare small space. So yesterday I bought it, and I bought this because it was only available. It was the, I mean, sorry, it was the only option yesterday. So yeah, I purchased this, and I'm really really happy that I purchased it. It's all sold out right now. I'm showing flexing it, and I'm excited about what's in the future in the game and functionality of the space and use of the space. So that was all in the video. I think I have covered every important details.